Sending your wishes to the universe isn't just a metaphorical expression, it's a practical guide for manifesting your deepest desires into reality. Today, we'll explore a step-by-step approach that helps clarify your intentions, align your thoughts and actions, and effectively communicate with the cosmos. This method is all about precision and intention, knowing exactly what you want and finding the best ways to ask the universe to realize your aspirations. To start, the first step in sending your wishes to the universe is to understand what you truly desire. This might sound simple, but it often requires deep introspection to distinguish between what you think you want and what your heart deeply yearns for. Begin by setting aside time for quiet reflection. Find a peaceful spot where you can sit undisturbed, perhaps in the early morning or late at night when the world around you is quiet. Use this time to think about your life's direction and what you feel is missing or most desired. Ask yourself questions like, what brings me joy? And what have I always wanted to do but haven't yet started? Write these thoughts down without judgment. It's not uncommon to discover that your genuine desires are quite different from the goals you've been pursuing. This process isn't about right or wrong answers, it's about honesty and clarity. Next, consider the deeper why behind each desire. Understanding why you want something gives your wish strength and clarity. For instance, if you wish for a new job, ask yourself why this change is important. Is it more satisfaction, better work-life balance, a need for personal growth, or something else? Identifying this can help you visualize not just the goal, but also the path to achieving it, making your intention clear and focused when you send it out to the universe. Once you've clarified what you truly want, the next step is aligning your intentions with your desires. This alignment is crucial because mixed signals can muddy the waters between you and the universe. Think of it like tuning into a radio frequency. The clearer the frequency, the better the reception. Start by ensuring your actions reflect your goals. If you desire a new career, are you acquiring the skills needed for that job? If you seek a healthier lifestyle, are you making dietary and exercise changes? Aligning your daily actions with your goals sends a powerful message to the universe about your commitment. In addition to aligning actions with your goals, your thoughts and emotions must also resonate with your desires. This might involve shifting from a mindset of lack or limitation to one of abundance and possibility. Use affirmations to reinforce this shift. For example, instead of thinking, "I never get opportunities," affirm, "I am open and ready to welcome new chances into my life." Such affirmations help maintain a mental and emotional environment conducive to receiving. Practice mindfulness to keep your intentions pure and focused. Mindfulness involves being fully present in the moment, aware of where you are and what you are doing, without being overly reactive or overwhelmed by what's going on around you. It helps you remain centered and calm, ensuring that your actions and thoughts are consistently directed towards your desired outcome. After aligning your intentions, the next crucial step is harnessing the power of visualization. Visualization is the process of creating a mental image of your desired outcome as if it has already happened. It's a potent tool that activates your creative subconscious, preparing your psyche to recognize and work towards the opportunities that will help manifest your desires. Begin your visualization practice by finding a quiet place where you can relax without interruptions. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths to center yourself. Now, in your mind's eye, construct a detailed scene of your life as it would appear once your wish has been fulfilled. Imagine it with as much detail as possible. What are you doing? Who are you with? What are you feeling? For example, if your desire is related to personal health, see yourself living an active, energetic life in your ideal state of health. Feel the vitality in your body and the happiness that comes with good health. It's essential to incorporate emotions into your visualization. The emotional response is what charges your vision with energy. The stronger your feelings, the more potent your visualization becomes. Feel the joy, pride, or peace that comes with achieving your goal. This emotional depth adds power to your visualizations, making them more effective at signaling your desires to the universe. Following visualization, affirmations are your next tool. Affirmations are positive, present tense statements that help reinforce the belief in the possibility of your desires becoming real. They work by programming your mind to believe in the potential of your aspirations and to act accordingly. Craft affirmations that resonate deeply with what you visualized. If you are seeking a new career, use affirmations like, "I am fulfilling my potential in a career I love and excel in." Repeat your affirmations daily, ideally in the morning when your mind is clear, or at night when your subconscious can marinate in them while you sleep. The repetition of affirmations serves to embed these positive beliefs into your subconscious, effectively tuning your mindset and behavior towards your goals. This consistent positive reinforcement helps maintain a vibration conducive to receiving your desires from the universe. It's like planting seeds in fertile soil. As you water and nurture them, they grow and eventually manifest into the physical reality. In using visualization and affirmations, you are not just wishing but actively participating in the creation of the life you desire. These tools empower you to send clear, potent messages to the universe, setting the stage for your desires to materialize. Progressing in our journey to send wishes to the universe, it becomes essential to address and let go of any limiting beliefs that might obstruct the path of manifestation. Limiting beliefs are often deeply ingrained assumptions about ourselves and the world that can stifle our potential and hinder the realization of our desires. To effectively release these limiting beliefs, start by identifying them. Reflect on thoughts that typically arise when you consider your dreams. Do you find yourself thinking, "I can't do this," or "this isn't realistic"? These are signs of limiting beliefs. Acknowledge these thoughts and challenge their validity. Question their origin and whether they are truly applicable to your current situation and the person you are now. Once you have identified these beliefs, actively work to transform them. Replace each limiting belief with an empowering belief that supports your desires. If you previously thought, "I'm not skilled enough," transform it to "I am continuously developing and improving my skills." While we move forward, cultivating gratitude becomes a vital practice. Gratitude shifts your focus from what is lacking in your life to the abundance that is already present. This shift is crucial because it aligns you with the positive energy of abundance, which supports the manifestation of your desires. Begin each day by listing 3 things you are grateful for in your life. This practice can be done in the morning to set a positive tone for the day or at night to reflect on the day's blessings. The key is consistency. The more you practice gratitude, the more you'll notice the abundance around you, which reinforces a positive mindset and attracts more positivity. Gratitude not only enhances your emotional wellness but also strengthens your belief in the possibilities. When you feel thankful, you are in a state of acceptance and openness, which allows you to receive more from the universe. This state of receptivity is critical in the manifestation process because it affirms your belief in the universe's capacity to fulfill your desires. Moving forward in our guide to sending wishes to the universe, the next step involves acting as if your desires are already fulfilled. This practice is about aligning your behavior and mindset with the reality you wish to create, reinforcing your beliefs and intentions through your everyday actions. Start by visualizing how you would feel and behave if your wishes were already a reality. If your goal is to be more confident, begin incorporating actions into your daily routine that reflect a confident person. This could mean speaking up more in meetings, joining new groups, or taking on challenges you usually avoid. The key here is to embody the characteristics of your desired state, which reinforces to the universe that you are ready to receive. Acting as if it is not about pretending or being dishonest about your current reality. Instead, It's a powerful way to practice and build the habits that lead to achieving your desired outcome. By living in alignment with your goals, you send a consistent and strong message to the universe about your expectations. While you work towards manifesting your desires, it's crucial to stay open to the possibilities of how they may come to fruition. Often, the universe delivers in ways that are different from our precise expectations. Staying flexible and open allows you to receive the best outcomes, even if they appear in unexpected forms. To cultivate openness, remind yourself regularly that there are many ways to achieve your goals and that you are open to experiencing them. When opportunities come your way, evaluate them with an open mind rather than immediately writing them off because they don't match your exact expectations. This openness can lead to surprising and fulfilling paths to your goals. It's important to remain detached from specific outcomes. While it's good to be clear about what you want, attachment to the exact path can lead to frustration and blockages. Instead, focus on your end goal and allow the universe to determine the best route. This approach not only makes the journey more enjoyable but also aligns you more closely with the flow of life, where possibilities are limitless. As you continue your journey of sending wishes to the universe, it's essential to develop an awareness of the signs that indicate your messages are being heard and that the universe is responding. These signs can be subtle and require a tuned-in awareness to interpret correctly. Begin by setting the intention each morning to notice and appreciate any signs or signals that come your way. This could be anything from a surprising encounter, a spontaneous idea, or even recurring numbers that you see throughout the day. The key is to maintain an open and observant mindset. When you notice a potential sign, take a moment to acknowledge it and reflect on its possible meanings. It's important not to overanalyze but rather to accept these signs as affirmations that your desires are in the process of manifesting. Recognizing these signs reinforces your faith in the process and strengthens your connection with the universe, encouraging a deeper sense of trust and alignment with your goals. The final step in sending your wishes to the universe involves cultivating trust and patience. The manifestation process operates on its own timeline, which can test our patience and sometimes even our faith. It's crucial to trust that the universe is working in your favor and that your desires will manifest at the right time. To foster patience, integrate practices into your daily life that center on mindfulness and stress reduction, such as meditation or deep breathing exercises. These practices help manage the anxiety or eagerness that can come from waiting for your desires to materialize. Reinforce trust in the universe by revisiting your past achievements and the unexpected ways in which good things have come into your life. This reflection helps build confidence in the unseen processes shaping your experiences and reassures you that new blessings are on their way. Thank you for joining me on this journey of sending your wishes to the universe. I hope you found these steps insightful and empowering as you align your desires with the cosmos. If this video resonated with you, please give it a like to support the channel. Share it with friends and family who might benefit from these practices as well. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so you never miss a video full of tips on how you can transform your life. Your engagement and feedback mean the world to us and help us create more content that aids you on your path.